Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these crochet bows. I used a G hook and medium worsted yarn. You can use any type of hook and yarn if you like to make these bigger. You can add more chains to this bow, and the pattern is down below. I did it in a variation of 4 plus 2 plus 4 and then plus 1. So the 2 is the center and then the 4s are the two sides. You can always add more chains if you'd like. Okay, so this one is a pretty small bow. It's only just a couple inches in width. All right, let's get started. Okay, for the bow I'm going to do a chain count of 11 with a G hook. It is kind of a big bow for this wreath, so you could make it a little bit smaller. And then in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to work a single crochet, yarn over, pull through, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then slip stitch in the next 2. So 1 and then 2. This will be the center of the bow, and then single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then you're going to turn your work. Now in the back loop I'm going to work 4 single crochet, so 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. And then single crochet in the next remaining stitches, and then you can just keep building on this until you have the width of your bow that you would like. Slip stitch around the border of this bow, so each stitch gets a slip stitch. So grab the yarn, pull through, then yarn over and pull through to complete, and then you can weave in your ends. Then take a piece of yarn and wrap it around about 7 to 8 times for the center, and then this will go on top of the center of your wreath, and then you can tie this on the back. Okay, you just tie the back of it there, and then you'll take your yarn with a needle and weave in your ends, and then your bow is complete. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.